Alright, going to show you how to disassemble the Taurus TX22. Firstly, make sure your pistol is clear. Look down there, make sure you don't see any brass. This one is good. Lock your firearm to the rear. Pull this little lever right here, straight down. Release your slide. Now you pull the trigger, and it comes right apart. Putting it back together, you want to make sure that the grooves here line up with the grooves right here. Put it together with a bit of pressure, rack it back, that button will reset. You are now fully assembled and functional. This video helped you out. Please like, subscribe, and you have yourself a great day.